Welcome to LearnHowToQuilt.com. I'm Anne, and today I'm introducing our Feathered Star series. In this series, you'll learn how to make this 52-inch feathered star, or you can learn how to make this octagon tree skirt. Here's a quick look at what you'll learn in each video in this series. First, you'll get some tips for choosing fabrics along with information about yardage requirements. Next, you'll discover some quick cutting and sewing techniques for making the triangles or feathers that go around the star. Then you'll see how to use the feathers and diamond shapes to make these 4 corner units. In video 5, you'll sew up the side units with partial seams. The kite shapes are introduced in the 6th video, and you'll see how to add these to the side units. Finally, in video 7, you'll make the center and then sew all the units together. Information on converting this to a tree skirt will also be given in video 7. Links to all the free handouts can be found at LearnHowToQuilt.com under the Feathered Star class, and they'll be posted under each YouTube video. All the feathers or triangles in this quilt might seem intimidating, but it's a fun quilt to work on. It's great for advanced quilters or confident beginners, so hope you stay tuned. Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos with your friends. Remember, if you're trying to find us on the internet, type in LearnHowToQuilt.com. Don't forget the .com. Using the .com will get you right to our site.